welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. It'd be super cool. And leave a comment. Let me know that you're here and that you want to tell me something. Tell me a secret. It doesn't have to be a really good secret. You just tell me like, ooh, I really like peanuts and nobody knows it. You know, just tell me a little something about yourself. That would be cool. Today we are unboxing a Boxycharm, and it's probably my premium because I'm getting Luxe this month, and this would be a really small Luxe. So, and this is about a $40 box. Here's the card. It says, "'Tis the season." And we've got a bunch of stuff in here. And I'm looking forward to seeing what we have. And I've got my trusty dusty calculator to keep track of how much everything is worth, so we can get a good value for our box. I hope and pray. I'm just going to say, what is it? Who is this by? Watermelon Burst. It's Ciate. Ciate has been in every box like for the last few months. Ciate London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray. This delicate scented ultrafine mist helps to maintain hydration, help keep makeup in place, and add a natural dewy finish. 22 bucks. Very nice. I've learned my lesson. I do not break nails anymore. I let the scissors help me pry open boxes now. It's got a little pamphlet. It's written in the tiniest of languages. I don't even know. And that's a pretty good size setting spray. It's a beautiful packaging. I'm not going to spray it because I have like a bunch of setting sprays over here that I don't even use. I might be able to get rid of it on Macari or something. Next up, from Complex Culture, Easy Eye Trio. I opened the wrong end. The Easy Eye Trio. Meet this award-winning multitasking brush trio designed to make your life easier. Each brush is made to do the work of multiple brushes in one. Oh Lord, they're jammed in here. Oh, I'm gonna leave the little lid on. And this is a nice little brush. There we go. And these look really nice. And complex, I'm just gonna take the lid off of this one. It's very soft but firm. That'll be a great little packer brush. I'm probably not gonna be able to get it back into the little package without ripping the brush to shreds. No, I got it back in. But anyway, these have they have soft feel touch on the brushes, and they feel very luxurious, and they are great shapes. So that's really good. And the brush set is a $40 value. All right, it's always good to get brushes. Can't complain, always need a brush. Next, from Grown Alchemist, Anti-Pollution Primer. We've been getting a lot of primers lately. And let's see, create the perfect base for makeup application with this lightweight hydrating gel primer featuring bioactive botanical ingredients that provide double duty protection against pollution and blue light. The whole blue light thing is garbage. There's nothing that can protect you from blue light. Blue light's not even that bad for you. But people say that there's primers and sprays and things that can protect. They can't. It's a lie. Instantly blurring wrinkles and pores for smooth, flawless looking skin, $42. Let's see what we get for $42. Wow. It's a very luxurious feeling package, and it's like this. That's pretty decent size, but that's an awfully big box for a little primer. So that is $40. No, that is $42. All right, we're up to 104 bucks. I'm just gonna get rid of this box. Oh, now we've got some more things in here. Next up, we have from Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. I always need a lip treatment, so that's cool. The serum lip product, instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping, formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax. This adds a luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion, $26. Let's take a peek. Ooh, that's really nice looking. Am I opening up the wrong way? Ooh, it's got a giant doe foot and a really pretty soft color. That's nice. That is nice. Always need a good lip treatment. Always, always, always. Especially in the winter time, because the wind and the cold and the rain are so drying. Next we have from Perfect Collab, Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. Your Perfect Collab is here in expertly matched pencil eyeliner set. These 3 creamy easy glide liners go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying powder. Now that's Beauty for Certain, $38. Let's see what the colors are. Well, there's 2. Why did I think there was 3? Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a bronze. I love a bronze. And then I bet this is black. And it is black. That's nice. Black and bronze. I love bronze. It really makes my green eyes pop. So those look nice. And then last but not least, from Tres Luce, yes. And this is the Midnight Deseos Shadow Palette. And set your intentions and make a wish. The limited edition cruelty-free vegan palette features 18 matte shimmer metallic shades infused with Mexican blue agave. Includes removable keepsake mirror to create the most beautiful looks in time for that midnight midnight deseo. $35. So let's take a look. The edge of the package is really beautiful. Let's see. I've not really used much of the Tres Luce, whatever. It's very beautiful. It's a neutral palette with some glitter. So it's a basic bitch palette, pretty much, with some glitter to set it off, which looks very nice for a basic palette. That'll make a great gift for somebody, because I have so many basic bitch palettes that I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do with them all. But I'm glad to have it. And I'm going to double check the numbers real quick. Because right now it says 203, but I think we have more value than that. 35, 42, 40, 26, 22, and 35. No, it's $200. $200 worth of value, which is great for a $40 investment. So we've got the palette, 2 eyeliners, a setting spray, a primer, a lip product, and some brushes. This is a great box. There's a lot of good stuff in here, and I am happy to have it. Good job, Boxycharm. You're special. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we will see you real soon. Bye.